It's day 2. Kiko has taken apart a lot of the bathroom. And did you notice the one big difference? All right, so let's go back. Kiko's gonna pause for a second. So here's the one big thing that we made an adjustment on. Why they made these openings so narrow, I'll never know, but they did. So we were about, it was only about to here, right, Kiko?
Huh?
It was about the right here.
6 inches more now.
Yeah, so that's a huge difference. One, somebody can get a wheelchair in here now if they ever need to. 2, it just feels more spacious coming in. And with that, we simply just lost the wall that was here blocking off the toilet. There's the old shower, if you remember. And that's gonna become a closet now. We'll cap off the water and then,
You see?
yeah.
You see, that's unexpected. So I need to dig inside to see how I'm gonna put this one inside the wall, below the concrete.
Gotcha.
Yes, that's not supposed to be here.
It's a good thing we're down
Yes,
lower level. Now it's copper too, huh?
yes. I know what's going on,
Okay.
but you have to do what you have to do.
Have to do what you have to do.
Yes.
Is that a cast iron tub?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know how many pounds. I know moving.
No, I tried that one time.
Only probably like that.
Tried with one guy to get it upstairs to the second floor and about killed myself.
Oh yeah.
No, I was dragging. I said no, there's no way. Not gonna try that again.
Yes, exactly.
All right, so we still have the the lights, but everything else is pretty much gone. Great progress by Kiko, and we'll come back for day 3. And what do you expect?
Demo today.
Demo
Tomorrow
finished
I'm
today?
gonna pack everything. I'm
Yeah.
gonna demo the bathroom also.
Yeah,
The whole bathroom. Yes. I'm gonna dig over here also
to get that taken care of. Yeah.
with this little machine to see what happens with this one.
Now we're putting a walk-in shower here, so obviously this presented a little obstacle that wasn't known until breaking down the area around the tub. So
If you don't change the plan, because I was not planning to remove this one, but they renew and they put like a basketball, you see?
yeah,
And all the tile come together with the wall. So I don't know if you want to extend the vanity or like we plan to put it like a.
I think well, okay, let's look at that. What would be extending the vanity a little bit? What would we get out of it? Are we still gonna have 2 sinks as it is right now, the way we have it designed now, right?
To sink in that place? No,
No, just one.
just one.
So could we get 2 sinks if we extend it and then maybe a smaller closet?
No,
No.
just but we have, we will have vanity below.
Oh, area below.
You will have more space also. So we still can do the closet over here.
Right.
Doesn't matter to me.
Okay. So it's either the closet or make the vanity larger and have two sinks.
Yeah, but vanity, extend the vanity gonna be a little bit more.
A little bit more. Yeah.
You have to put granite to here.
Yeah.
Another faucet, sink.
Yeah. Okay. But the pros is there'll be cabinets below, area below. All right, let me think about it and
Okay.
we'll finalize.
Yeah, because I need
talk
to
with
do the
Dr.
wall
Jim.
over here.
Yeah.
So let me know.
Okay, I will. How much to add on do you think price wise from where we are now?
I don't know what kind of granite you want.
We can do
Light?
quartz, like a light,
color?
simple quartz. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing exotic.
Yeah. I used to put granite.
Like a sparkling white quartz or granite. You know.
Alright.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the vanity? You want light or dark color?
I think light's gonna look better.
Light.
Yeah, we should go white.
also.
Yeah, we'll go white.
Okay.
Clean with the tiles.
Mhm.
You know, the 12 by 24 large tiles, kind
Yes.
of light colors, and the same thing with the wall.
Okay.
We can take the big tiles
Yes.
up on the shower wall too. It'll be better.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, what do you think if we do you need to look at pricing, or you can get an idea about the extra if we want two vanities, 2 sinks versus the closet?
Okay. I will check.
Okay, and then I'll let Dr. Jack know so he can decide. What do you think is better? I won't say anything until tell me what you
It
think.
depends on the need. You have close over here, close over there.
Yeah.
Maybe with two sinks we look better.
I think so.
Since you see.
Yeah, because I'm thinking the two people might want to have that, and then they also may be less inclined to want to use the closet. All right. So think about the price. Get that to me, then I can go. I can run everything through, and
Alright.
hopefully
Okay.
that'll work. Okay. Sounds good. Thanks, Kiko. All right. So that'll be a little change. Got to look at the numbers. I think right now, gut's telling me we're going to go with the two sinks versus the closet, because I think the one sink by itself is going to have a lot of countertop, and I just think there'll be more value in the two sinks. So knowing that there's going to be more than likely two people sharing the master suite, so you know how that goes. So we'll get back to you as we get to the end of day 2. We start day 3, and what the decision was made, and demo will be complete on the 2 bathrooms by the end of the day. A little bit more complicated on this one because of what we encountered with the pipe coming underneath where the huge soaking tub was before. So that's it for today. For right now, at least it's the morning, late morning. We'll get back with you tomorrow. Take care. Hey, Mark Fitzpatrick here. Welcome to day 3 of the renovation here at this North Bethesda condo. And let's give you a look inside. There's not a whole lot left in the master bathroom right now. We do have toilet paper. So over here, we did make a final decision. This is going to be part of the second sink. So it'll be 2 sinks and a nice big vanity with storage underneath versus a little closet right there. And then this is where the toilet would go. Obviously that's where it was, so we're not going to mess with that. To review what we did yesterday, in part was right about where my foot was. Believe it or not, this was a really narrow entryway. I mean, crazy narrow. That's the way they are in the building. So there was a little wall right here, which you can see the framing for right here, going up just simply to divide off the toilet. But this is a large enough bathroom that the value of having this wider definitely offsets that little bit of privacy. It's it's a good size master bedroom suite for condo. I mean, even the condos that are $1.5 million, $2 million don't have. A lot of them are actually smaller than this, to be honest. So let's flip it around over here. And we have the tub, which still has to be removed because that's heavy. It's gonna take more than Kiko. And you remember the pipe that was not supposed to be that way after Kiko took the whole tub out, the backing and the tiles and everything around that. So got that cut off, and then he'll obviously make that work. Had to dig down in the concrete in order to do that. So a little bit more than anticipated. A nice big canvas now to work with. And so you can see the rest of the master suite. It's really good size. Another difference from today and yesterday is this. The first snow of the year is here, and it's pretty nasty outside right now. Slick. So we're gonna go over here. Kiko's working on the second bathroom, which is not as extensive as an upgrade. It's much milder renovation, rather, not upgrade. But yeah, still an upgrade than what we're doing in the master, which is a complete renovation. Say hello to everybody, Kiko.
Hi.
All right, so I see you got the pipe out over there. You had to dig down for that, huh?
I don't know what I'm going to do. There's no more room
Yeah.
below.
Yeah.
See the big pipe, 3
Yeah.
inches?
Yeah.
Cannot do nothing with that.
Yeah.
So we'll find a way.
Yeah. And here we're just getting out these old massive vanity, which is for a second bathroom, it's too much, and you got the big giant mirror out, and of course we'll update the lighting in here. And then in here we're gonna sort of leave this virtually untouched. That'll just be the regrouting, and then we'll put new flooring in as well. The rest of that second bathroom will be done today in terms of the complete demo, and the preparation is going to be a little bit more difficult on, let's go back and show you that master bathroom. This is what Kiko was talking about right here. Couldn't go down any further. So he's got to figure out a different way of getting the pipe, the drain, and everything else here. So it's what it is. You have to make adjustments, and when something's hidden, you know, what we expected to find was not what we actually found. So in other words, we have to make a big adjustment right now, which always costs a little bit more. But in the end, it's going to be gorgeous. So we will be back for day 4. The rest of the day we'll be really just getting this and prepped. And then once this weather clears out, we get more headway on inside. We'll start the preparation on the outside. I'm assuming that the snow and all this stuff will be gone. This will be the easiest of the whole renovation project. We'll start getting into the master bathroom in terms of whatever.
We're gonna start doing tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
Yeah, the plumbing.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you just have to make it. You got to find an adjustment for that. That was not done properly?
No.
Yeah.
The problem is they have jacuzzi.
Yeah.
The vent pipe was above the floor. Yes.
And you can't go down any farther now.
The jacuzzi was covered the pipe. Yeah, it's concrete. It's more difficult.
Yeah.
So it used to be like a 2-inch pipe.
Yeah.
Right, it's gonna be too big. I'm gonna do 1.5 inches.
Yeah. To make it work. Yeah. Which will still be fine.
You think it's too dark?
I think that's a little too dark, so
Yeah,
I'll pull out a couple of pallets. So you have something lighter, you just put it on the wall, and I'll see you next time.
Yes.
And I'll pull up a couple little options I have as well. I actually might have a couple too, so I'll bring them. We'll just keep putting them on the wall. All right. He's got another rough day ahead, and start getting to a little bit more transformation after that. So anyway, we'll be back for day 4 tomorrow. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.